31st, and today is our last duty. So, last duty before our salary date, and I had some, maybe just little, because I already cashed and funds before I went home last week. So, right now I'm having a coffee, and it's currently almost 11. So, my in was 11:30, and yeah, I will be preparing very soon for going to work. So I'm gonna be until later, midnight at 11 p.m. So yeah, I had already my breakfast, bread, and yeah, crackers. So right now I'm just gonna finish my coffee, and I'm gonna go take a bath, and I'm gonna go to work. So far guys, it's been 2 days that I don't have any vlog because I was so, like, not busy, but medyo tinatamad ako, and I feel sometimes that I have to have more sleep. So I preferred my 2 days to rest, to just relax on my bed and just to fall asleep. So it's yesterday night, or 2 nights ago, I I had a very long sleep. So we don't have Wi-Fi here. Our Peso net was not able to provide good internet for us. So I just sleep at 11 until 9 a.m. and last night I slept at 2:30 because I was watching this Facebook reels that maybe I like it. That's why it takes me until 2:30 before I fall asleep, and I'm awake at 9:30, just going to the CR or toilet, and then go back here, play some music on my head, and it was just good, cooling to start my day. And right now I'm having my coffee. It was good. Cheese lahat aron ay wa. Picture and take out.